Three, two, one.
Introducing the LPM, Layered Powder Metallurgy System, a cost-effective and robust 3D printing solution based on a proprietary technology enabling true production capabilities. The solution includes 3 steps while operating in a non-inert environment. A standard low-cost powder is dispensed and spread, forming a new layer. The new layer undergoes a compaction phase, forming a thin, dense layer. A single-pass jetting of the boundaries is performed to define the part's geometry. These 3 steps are carried out repeatedly for each layer to form a full tray of parts. Once built, the tray undergoes a cold isostatic pressing to increase density by up to 99%. The dewaxing process evaporates the printed boundaries, allowing to separate the support from the parts easily. LPM's unique automatic support generation enables quick support removal in a matter of minutes rather than hours of machining. Finally, parts are being sintered to achieve the desired final mechanical properties.
Aurora Labs' groundbreaking multi-layer concurrent printing technology, or MCP for short, is a patent-pending process in development to drastically increase the speed of the powder bed fusion additive manufacturing process. Here, we can see in place of a standard single sweeper, a gantry comprised of sequential powder gates each with a dedicated sweeper. There is a gap between each gate where powerful lasers can melt the metal powder, creating the part. Here, we see the powder being loaded into the gates from the main powder hopper and the MCP gantry beginning its sweep across the built surface, laying multiple layers of powder concurrently. As the first layer is coated by powder, the lasers activate and melt in the workspace provided. This work area is then immediately recoated with powder and the following slice of the model is melted. This process repeats itself as many times as there are gates in the gantry until the entire gantry has swept across the built surface. By combining the powder coating and lasing additives into one sweeping movement across multiple layers simultaneously, Aurora Labs' MCP technology drastically increases productive machine time and efficiency, reducing costs per part. Aurora Labs' MCP technology has the potential to improve the viability of metal additive manufacturing such that it could enable 3D printing to realize its promise of becoming a mainstream manufacturing method.